Today, everybody have to super chat because it's the new graduate, and also,
I thought that was
so today, hola. So today, celebrating my daughter and my niece. It's my niece completed college, so she'll be having her graduation. So we have to congratulate these young ladies, and my daughter got accepted in college, so that's something else to celebrate. So I'll go on ahead, and if I never super chat me before, and I've got super chat me today because we are celebrating these two young ladies. Yes, Chef Andre, big up yourself.
You were on Facebook.
Yeah, congratulations. Go over there, daughter. They want to see you.
No, I thought you were on Facebook.
So
Mommy.
she's shy, but that's my beautiful daughter right there. Hi, daughter.
Not showing. Stop, mommy. You said you were on Facebook. So you lied.
Tish. So we're celebrating these two lovely young ladies. My daughter is a little bit shy, but she's not like me, hiding her face over there. So that's the daughter. Yeah. More see the super chat them, and the super chat them more. See, because when young teenagers are doing well, we have to congratulate them. We have to show them love, okay? Yeah. Who is Arts Island Girl, Jamaican Vlogs? Thank you so much. So we're waiting on the young ladies. Hey, Stacy Ann, thank you so much. Young ladies, come along.
Mommy.
This girl is so shy. She's not like mommy. So guys, you don't know, I'm here the chef. I'm gonna stick around. I'm showing you the good food them. So that's my cake. Yes, I did that. And let me know if you like the cake. I'm not a baker. I'm not a cake decorator. But I tried my best. Thank you, Chef Andre. Yeah. It's a good thing when young teenagers are doing good. When them do bad, we say, oh, them do bad. So when them do good, we have to say they're doing good as well. Right? So the balloon bouquet is done by my friend, Amisha and Kimmy. Yeah. So them are the decorator. Me are the cooker. Alright? So it's just a little indoor quarantine thing. Because you don't know, we can't have anyone over. So that's why we have to do this. You know, with a little 2 people and so. Because we're in lockdown right now. But, you know, everything looks nice. We have food, we have cake, we have drinks. And most of all, we have the 2 young ladies here. So where's the super chat? I'm not seeing a super chat that come in. Like, come on, man. Super chat so we can get the young ladies something nice on the day of their graduation. I don't see any super chat coming in. I might have super chat button down there. Come over here, niece. Come over here. So that's my niece. Yes, she just graduated Sheridan College. She did a program in marketing management. And my beautiful daughter over there covering her face got accepted in college as well. She's 17. So congratulations to her for getting accepted. This is like a milestone for them. I remember when I finished college, it felt so good. Also, I remember when I got accepted in college, it felt so good. So if you want to come over here so we can cut the cake. So we can cut the cake, then we can dig into the food, then we can have some cake. I want to have to do the spot first before the food. So guys, girls, come over here. Ladies. Kim, you wanna get the knife?
Get the knife, yeah, Kim. Get up, Angel.
I don't want to be on camera.
Okay, I'll get you off camera, but you gotta cut the cake.
Yes, get up.
Okay, so my daughter is a little bit shy, so I'm just gonna go off camera and let them enjoy their little celebration. But thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next cooking video. All right? God bless.